Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to edit ID cards. First, open Canva and navigate to the search bar. Type ID card to explore thousands of pre-designed templates available. Take your time to browse through the various styles and layouts. Select a template that aligns perfectly with your company's aesthetic and functional requirements. This initial step sets the foundation for a professional and effective identification card. Now, let's personalize your chosen template. Click on any text box to edit names, job titles, and unique employee identification numbers. You can also upload individual photos directly from your device. Simply drag and drop them into the designated image frames. Remember to customize the font styles, sizes, and colors to ensure they perfectly reflect your organization's visual identity, maintaining a consistent and professional look. Next, enhance your ID card with crucial branding and security features. Upload your company logo and strategically place it for maximum visibility. Integrate your brand's specific color palette throughout the design. For added functionality, consider adding a scannable QR code or a barcode, which can be linked to internal systems or contact information. Always double-check that all vital contact details are prominently displayed and easy to read. Finally, it's time to prepare your ID cards for printing. Once you are satisfied with your design, download the file in a high-resolution PDF print format for the best quality output. For durability, we recommend printing on sturdy cardstock, perhaps a 30-point thickness. Before finalizing, conduct a thorough review of all names, photos, and details to ensure accuracy. Then, you are ready to send your designs to a professional printer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.